Your present, whatever you're doing, is known as prarabdha. Okay? Don't worry about Sanskrit terms. Let's talk about something. It is what has come into fructation. Fructation is a wrong term, but your body type, your skin type, your family connection, the people that you're going to meet in this life, the people who are going to hate you in this life, the achievement you're going to, everything from the land to the country. In fact, throwing more light, even Delhi has its own karma. Even India has its own karma. Even you and me have your own karma. Even you have your own karma. We three, we call it the spider's web in Vedanta. And have you seen the spider? Beautifully it will draft the web and it is coming from his body and he will chill in the center. The creator has created this Maya and sitting in the center. Once you understand that you are the center, walking on the web becomes very easy. This is your prarabdha. You're going through everything because of your present and past impressions. That is sanskaras. Present is called prarabdha. Past that has happened is called sanchita. Okay? I'll explain you very simple things. How does it work? Suppose she has a very strong desire, okay? That I want to get a car. Naya aa gaya, impression, car chahiye, car chahiye, car chahiye, car chahiye, car chahiye. Now, the greater the intention, Mother Nature will give greater results. If you are doing something negative greatly, she will throw negativity. This is from one life, but we have taken multiple births. So from your past life also you're carrying a lot of baggage. Now I'm calling it baggage because it is negativity. At the same time it is positive also. You all have a house to live, you all have good steady life, you all have money, few people don't even have that. You all have courtesy to go to movies, go spend money or whatever, that is also a positive. But the human mind is so amazing, it only catches and latches on the negative. This is your prarabdha. Now, the future is called agam. The future is not determined. Your end time is determined, but the journey is not determined. If you are supposed to meet me, you will meet me. How will you meet me? That is where awareness, mental awareness, sadhana, yajna, all will come into play. What I am trying to tell you is, no one knows the future. Your future is in your hands. The moment you start accepting, the moment you start responding, future will become beautiful because you're not expecting anything. Automatically things will unfold to you. The moment you throw desire in nature, winter is coming. You are going to get it very hard on you. That is the reason. Also, one more thing. There is no problem to have thoughts. It is absolutely okay. There is no problem to have desires. Please don't have fear of desire. Please don't have fear of anything. Have fear of not getting attached to it. Work on the attachment. If I'm getting a desire, you know what, after this I'll go to Baskin Robbins, have a nice ice cream, it is okay. I'll go. If I don't go, I respond. If I don't go, I react. If I don't get frustrated with Karanveer, then there is a problem. If I don't go, to be okay. If I go, to be okay. The more you evolve on the path, you will realize Mother Nature will throw Baskin Robbins at you. Kha. And that time you will not want it. Because then you want naturals. Then you want again. That is the mind how it works. But what I am trying to tell you is, desires, attachment, emotions, you can't say that I want to be free. It is impossible. What is awareness? At that very moment, responding. And then Maharishi Patanjali has given this beautiful solution, and I get it in my life also day to day, all the time, that 3 important things he's saying. If someone is being very, very harsh or rude with you, be nice. So be nice to people who are doing good in their life also, he's saying. Suppose you got a big car, suppose you got name, I should be very happy, but I am not internally. In the beginning it will be difficult, but with time you will change. Second, those who are very bad in their life or those who are struggling, pray for them. We will not. You know what we do? They deserve it. Oh, मैंने बोला था, नहीं सुन रहा था. Then nature will say, तू बोला था now. That is how it works. That is the Kal Chakra we call. And the last, which is very, very difficult, if you are trying to nag me or push me down, stay away. If you have these 3 principles in life, your sadhana has started. But mentally it will chutney. Awareness is, there are many kinds of awareness. Like there are many kinds of samadhi. People talk samadhi mein body chhod diya. No. Paramahans Ramakrishna Ji the Great said that if you are in the highest state of samadhi, in 21 days you leave your body. But there are different stages of samadhi, and that samadhi is where mental awareness, then actual samadhi awareness, and then higher states of consciousness. Mental awareness is when you are aware that, okay, you know what, I'm guilty, I'm jealous. You know, when you have reacted, but internally know you have to respond, you have started the first step of mental awareness, alertness. Awareness is another ball game. Like there are great yogis who were in Leh, even if whatever is happening on the other side of the world, they would know it because they have tapped in that awareness. When you're talking about birth and death, no, when we die, there's a blueprint that is created. This is going into a bit bigger concept, but understand. I've lived my life. The time of your death is allotted at a very high end. Because why it is allotted? Because of your past karmas. So the person that you're going to meet, the person that is going to die, at a very big level, there's a blueprint that is created already that no one can change. But your acceptance, your awareness, and the way you handle the situation, that is in your hands.